Meta does not just need more GPUs, it wants the sun to work night shift. That is the strange part of Meta's new power bet. The company has reserved access to future space-based solar energy for its AI data centers. The plan comes from Overview Energy. Put satellites in geosynchronous orbit, about 22,000 miles above Earth's equator, where sunlight is almost constant. Then beam low-intensity near-infrared light down to solar farms on the ground. Those panels would turn that light back into electricity, not for a sci-fi weapon, but for a grid that is being squeezed by artificial intelligence. Meta says it reserved up to 1 gigawatt of this future orbit-to-grid capacity. Overview says the first orbital demonstration is targeted for 2028, with commercial power expected in 2030 if the tests work. That timeline matters. Nothing here is powering a Meta data center tonight. But the signal is huge. AI companies are no longer just buying chips. They are hunting for energy systems that can run when the sun is down, when wind is weak, and when the grid is crowded. That is why Meta also announced a long-duration storage partnership. Space solar is the cinematic headline. Round-the-clock power is the actual problem. Think about the chain. A model request hits a data center. The data center pulls power. The power has to come from somewhere, and every new cluster makes that somewhere harder to find. The risk is obvious. Satellites, beams, conversion losses, regulation, cost, and years of demonstrations before this becomes real infrastructure. The reason it still matters is just as obvious. When AI growth gets big enough, the next battlefield is not the model. It is the power source feeding the model. So Meta's weirdest AI upgrade is not inside a server rack. It is a possible sunrise,